Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to refund Google Play subscription. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To answer this, all we have to do is open up the Play Store, click on our icons at the top right corner of the screen, and first go into the Help and Feedback section. In here, we can look for Refund and access the Learn About Refunds on Google Play page. If we scroll all the way down, they have a description for all their policies when it comes to refunds. We can find the Google Play Pass option over here, and this tells us that your Play Pass subscription can be canceled at any time. You will still have access to the subscription until the end of the period you have paid for. And they also go on to say that if you cancel within the first 2 days of a monthly subscription and request a refund, we may refund the cost of the month in which you cancel. What this means is that you can cancel it at any time. However, to actually get your refund, you need to cancel it on the first 2 days of your monthly subscription. With this disclaimer out of the way, with this info, you can either scroll up and then select Request a Refund over here to start making your refund request. Or you can go back, click on your icon once again, and access the Payments and Subscriptions option. Go into Subscriptions and cancel it from here. Regardless of which option you pick, you will be able to be granted a possible refund. So that's basically how you can refund Google Play subscription. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.